Hey guys, snakes are complex creatures. Some are delighted by them while others are terrified. But in all fairness, it should be noted that the later ones clearly prevail. This subconscious fear of snakes is based on the dangers that these creatures pose to humans. In today's episode, we'll show you an amazing incident that happened with a king cobra on the outskirts of the city of Karwar in India. The king cobra crawled into the city, frightening the locals very much. After all, this type of snake belongs to the Alepidae family. It's the largest venomous reptile on our planet. Its venom has a neurotoxic effect. The venom toxin blocks muscle contractions, which causes paralysis of the respiratory muscles, respiratory failure, and death. The venom's strength and volume, up to 7 milliliters, are enough to kill a person within 15 minutes of envenomation. In these cases, the probability of death can exceed 75%. The king cobra is considered patient, but very aggressive, which is why they are rarely kept in zoos. Snakes rarely approach settlements. After all, it's not just that they pose danger to people, but people are no less dangerous to the reptiles. So what could have prompted the cobra to come to the city? The thing is, there was a large-scale drought throughout India at the time, which continued for over a month. The weather conditions and lack of water forced the forest animals to go to the people for sources of drinking water. So that's what happened with the huge king cobra, which was found on the outskirts of the city. Although this species of cobra is known to be very dangerous, the locals had more compassion for it than fear. People realized that only extreme thirst could have forced this animal to come to their village. That's why they didn't chase the snake away, but rather began a rescue operation calling the zoologists. As it turned out, the cobra was on the verge of death. The animal rights activists didn't just save the local residents by getting the snake out of the city, but they also helped it. The rescuers let the snake drink right from the bottle, as if it was a child or a wounded person. When these pictures were posted online, they immediately got thousands of likes. One of the rescuers gave the cobra some water, while the other held its tail just in case it decided to rush into an attack. But that didn't happen. The snake didn't even show any aggression. It just drank water from the bottle it's been offered. The zoologists measured the length of this cobra, which was 3.65 meters, and then took it to the forest and released it there.